Tim with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So we replaced the defrost heater and termination, and we're coming back because the ice is clumping and the auger motor is not working. So when we go to call for ice, we're just not getting any. The common cause for that is the termination is heating up the ice too much, so it melts and clumps together. Which also, when we defrost, everything makes the auger motor freeze up too. So we're going to take that out, melt the auger motor, and put a lower defrost termination in. So lift up, pull out. You notice that all the ice cubes are clumped. So then we're going to pull out the auger motor. This light bulb cover. Now we're going to remove the auger motor. Plug it. So this motor froze up. We can't turn the auger motor. We're going to set it outside and let the heat defrost it while we're putting the termination on the refrigerator. Okay, so we're going to remove the shelves and the light bulb. Make sure the light bulb is cold. Depress the tabs up and out. The bottom one just slides. So now we're going to remove the evaporator cover. The bottom has 2 1/4-inch screws. Top has 2 Phillips screws. You'll notice the tabs on this side, so go away from those. And there's the back of the evaporator. Right here is the new defrost termination or thermostat. We're going to replace it with a lower termination. Okay, so this just clips onto the back. Pull it out. It has 2 wire nuts on it, so we're going to remove the tape, untwist it, and reinstall the new one. So we're going to remove the wire nuts. Just unscrew counterclockwise. Remove the wires. Same with the other one. And remove the termination. Now we're just going to install the lower one. these up. Screw clockwise until the wires twist. And then do the other side.
Yeah, it's not right.
You know that they're nice and tight when the wires twist together. Just like that. And then electrical tape the connections together. Termination back behind the evaporator. Put the wiring all back in. Put the evaporator cover back on. Screw the cover back into place. Place the light bulb. Replace the shelving. Snap them back into place. So as we were replacing the defrost termination, we let this sit out in the heat, and now the auger motor turns free simply by hand. So we're going to reinstall it and check it out. There's two places that it connects to, and then to plug it back in is right here. So we're going to line this up. So, screw it in. Plug the auger motor back in. Okay, so then we're gonna put the screws back in to keep it connected. Now all we have left to do is put the two screws in the shelf. And then we can plug the fridge back in and test out the auger motor. So we're going to reinstall the ice tray. You want to be sure to line up the back of the auger motor here and the drain and the solenoid with this. You'll know if it's not lined up because the bucket won't go in. So now we're going to test it out. First with cubed ice. Get a good ice from that. Now we're going to try the crushed. Alright, we've got good crushed ice as well. So even though when we did the original repair, we replaced the defrost termination with a GE factory thermostat, it's too hot. So the one that we put in is a lower rated thermostat, which will come on with lower temperatures. We installed that, unfroze the auger motor, and tested all the components, and that will complete our repair.
Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.